Sally here from Talkin Toys. We love bringing you fun new games, and this one will get everyone playing together and having plenty of burpy silly fun along the way. It's Burping Bobby!
Thanks for inviting me along to your picnic. What a magnificent day it is to gobble up some grub. What do we have first?
We pick a token, but we've got to guess what's on the token. So it can be cheese, soda, onions, baked bean. Let's go, Gracie. We'll start with you. Okay, what's it say on the other side?
Pizza.
Oh, pepperoni pizza. Perfecto.
So pop it in your mouth, feed it to Bobby, and then you crank the crank one time. It's hungry, isn't it?
Ooh, love pizza.
Okay, Piper.
2 onions.
Uncooked onions. Yum, yum, yummy.
All right, you can feed it to Bobby. Oh, crank it twice. 2, good work.
Oh, my eyes are watering.
Kayden, your turn.
What stinky snack do you think it'll be this time, Kayden?
Cheese. Oh, it is cheese. Well done.
It's cheese, all right. Some stinky blue cheese with any luck.
So this time you keep the token. Okay, he's on a path to victory here.
I don't get no cheese.
Crank it up to 1.
Oh, sorry, I'm about to blow. Stand back, everyone.
Coming. Nip it! Oh!
Anyone have a breath mint?
You. That's
What do you expect with a name like Burping Bobby?
That's Burping Bobby, suitable for 2 to 4 players, aged 4 to 12 years, and available from all leading retailers.
And for more fun episodes of Talkin Toys, head over to our website or come back to our YouTube channel and like and subscribe.